In the today's video, we will see how to create a circle picture in MS Word. So whenever you inserted a picture, for that you are going for the insert option, click on picture, and from here you are inserting the pictures, like I am inserting the 10 mark picture. So as you can see, we are getting a square picture over here. To make it round, we can go to format option and click on this option. You can select any option from that. I am selecting this option. So yes, as you can see here, our picture is converted to the circle. But you can also see there is some shadow is there and one outline is also there. So firstly, we will check how to change the size of the picture, as I am needed a picture bit smaller, like say 10 by 10 picture I am needed right now. So I can here directly change the picture size 10 by 10 and click on enter. So it's changed to 10 by 10. Also, there is one option is there to advanced layout option is there. Click on it. Here also, if your picture is not in the correct format, so it may get stretched. To avoid that, here one option is there like lock aspect ratio. Remove that one, and here also you can change the size. As I am needed 15 by 15 picture right now, I can easily change from here. Just I'm clicking on OK. As you can see, our picture size gets increased. Right click on that picture, go to format picture. Here we have one option as a preset. Click on it and remove the shadow as a none. So as you can see, our shadow gets removed, but outline is still there. To remove that outline, click on fill and line option. In the line option, we have right now solid line clicked. Click on no line. So yes, as you can see, our outline is also gets removed. But if I wanted to move this picture, I can't able to move that picture. Just right click on it, go to wrap text and choose in front of text. Yes, so we done it. We can directly now move the picture anywhere on our document in this way. Also, I wanted to show you one more thing. If you have a rectangle image, because previously we are having a square image. So I'm clicking on that and choosing one picture from here. So whenever I'm clicking on here and dragging this side, so it will be converted to the oval shape. So to avoid that, we have one more option. So for that, you have to go to here, crop option, click on that. And here one option is there as aspect ratio. Click on it and select 1 by 1. So you can drag the image as you want into the 1 by 1 shape, means in the square shape like this way, and click on outside. So again go to crop shape. Here one option is there, crop to shape, and inside that we have circle option. So here also your image directly get converted to the circle. So if you think this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video.